Hey divers, this is DiverLounge. Today's dive site I want to introduce is Ito. This place is super famous for Shark Scramble. Ito is in south side of Chiba Prefecture, which is this point. And originally, there have been many sharks coming to this place. Average of depth is about 20 meters, and after going through the coral for a while, you will see someone is gathering. Gathering and gathering, oh my god. There are two types of fish gathering to this scramble. First is of course, sharks. To be precise, these sharks are called banded hound shark, which is one of the calmest sharks in the world. Okay, you're too close. And the other is red stingray. It's the biggest stingray, which has poison needle in his tail. Be careful. And you're too close too. While that scramble is getting bigger and bigger, so let's enjoy it. So don't get afraid of human, so you can enjoy this scramble more closely. Wow, spectacular! Ow! In addition, there is a big fish called long-toothed grouper living here, and watching the scramble from little outside like a father. Hello there. Guide told me that when people dive here first, they got so overwhelmed that they cannot take video or photo enough. Well, actually I understand that feeling. So impressive place this is to enjoy Shark Scramble this close. How do you like it? I'll keep on introducing dive sites in Japan in this channel, so if you like it, please subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye!